$700 for this one. Tow rack's supposed to be pretty strong. Let me see how these do on the tow rack. I wonder if they fold. Yeah. It's right up next to it. Just in case that sucker does decide to fall, the jacks decide to fail. At least they'll give me a fighting chance, maybe. Alright. Go ahead and look for my oil filter. Yeah, there it is right there. I can see it. It's right here in the front. It's black. It's going to be a big fat one. Fetch our big fat one from over here. Supertech oil filter, $2.97. Remember, this is our, it was about 3/4 of a quarter. This is our Valvoline that I didn't want to put in
the Honda.
Because it's a Ford motor oil. 5 more horsepower. Let me get a pair of gloves on. Alright. So let's lay up under here again. I'll take everything from a 14 to 18 this time. See, it's an oily mess. It's going to need new gaskets, valves, and everything. Notice its transmission's on this side. You can see that's a monster bell housing, it looks like. I believe this is going to be a 14. Nope, I'm wrong again. 15. So which way is lefty loosey? This way. Gotta love that. Knuckle buster. Notice I'm holding pressure with my finger in there because I don't want it to get cocked sideways and get oil all over me and get it out of the way here real quick in just a second. Look, I love the way all cars put exhaust right where the oil spews out onto it and smokes it up. Going through to the other side. Okay. So while we're draining, notice it's going to take forever to drain. 6.8 quarts, if I'm not mistaken. But while I'm down here, I can get the oil filter. Let's see if I can catch them both at the same time. Oh, I might not be able to catch them both at the same time, but I can go on and get it loose. We're about done there. I'm going to go on and put my oil plug back in as soon as it gets that drip of dry. And that's close enough for me. So, finger tighten all the way. Finger tight, 14, 15 mil. Make sure I'm turning it the right way. There we go. And just give it a little tug, not a big one. Move my pan over here. Of course, you know, it's going to drop a bunch of oil all over the manifold. Look what a mess. I'm pretty sure you can buy like oil filter relocator kit. So you can probably run it all the way to the back of the damn car if you want to. Here, we can probably take a look at this too. High grade oil filter. It's a Bosch. No, it's just a regular old Bosch Steel Tech filter. Still a good oil filter. Good company. I guess it did its job this time. Alright. Give me a rag. My man. I'm gonna wipe that exhaust off so it don't smoke so bad. It's still gonna smoke like a son of a bitch, but hey. How many quarts is a 1999 Mercury Cougar 2.5 supposed to have?
5.8 quarts. According to
5. But it's even 6. They like to run it high. If you look at, if you read forums, read anything about them, they like to run it. Those that run 2 quarts high. I guess we'll use this fat boy on this one. So, I guess we can measure it.
From the original container?
Yeah, which I don't have a filter. I'm going to filter this. It looks like to be damn near full quart. Here, what I'll do here, we'll go on and add some of this mystery filter. Well, I should have used all the oil stabilizer. So, here's 1 quart. Check out. Oh shit, I did it again. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to invest in some oil dry or some kitty litter. So there's 2.
We can fit another one in there.
So this will be 3. So you'll fit a whole 2 cord in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we'll go over here real slow. Try not to make a mess. Oh. Oh, we made a mess. So this is gonna be 4.
4 is right there on the floor.
Oh, we didn't put 4 in. Alright, so that was 4. Get every dime out of her. Check underneath, see if it's leaking anywhere. Let's see if it's dripping anywhere.
Nope.
That's a good sign. I'd rather be lucky than good any day. Alright, time to crack open the second big box here. Get a little messy.
But the sea turtles. The chipper being put to work.
Is it upside down? Looks like it is. Having a problem with the cardboard there. Guess I could use my razor blade. I don't want to stick my oily hands in my pocket though. Cut the bag. Super duper oily mess. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a better measuring device. If you would pull it. Alright, let's fire her up.
I can pause it.
Huh?
I can fucking pause it.
You pause it.
Yeah, I could just.
Well,
No!
Well, what the fuck?
I didn't fucking know it. I thought I had to stop it.
Yeah.
God, that's going to sound beautiful. Just think I use headphones when I edit. Oh, God, that's going to be great.